Snowmageddon 2021. Like the fell and busted my ass right there. It's cold out here. Well, that's more like it. Finally getting a little snow. What do you guys think? Buzzsaw was just showing, okay, you gotta, you know, ducks. Ducks don't care. It's 18 degrees out here. Buzzsaw was just showing his dogs playing in the snow. And, well, here's some ours playing in the snow and the sleet. Get him, Clyde. Get him, Clyde. Not me, him. You're supposed to get him. You're getting the wrong ones. Well, how about a Blizzard 2021 update for you? Not much to update. Guys, we started out with a winter storm watch. They were calling for 4 to 7. And then a winter storm warning, and it was 5 to 8. And then up to a foot. Yeah, this is what we got. We got about 3 inches of sleet. Maybe an honest 1/4 inch of actual snow. And, I mean, it was enough to get the tractor out. And I was all intending on making a video for that, so I set the camera up on the back of my truck. And then I grabbed my tripod and I set it right over there because I realized that I was going to have to back drag everything. So I kind of perfected it on that end, and I figured I'd set the camera up and show you from this way. Problem is there, I don't know, I guess it's because I was wearing gloves, or I don't know if I just didn't push the button at all, missed it, I couldn't tell you, but I do know that I plowed and plowed and plowed, and when I got off the tractor, grabbed my camera, it was not on, it was shut off. So we'll blame the cold weather. Truth be told, it was probably an operator issue. But did get out here and get a little bit done, and mostly it's just cold. We're feeding the birds, and they're eating like crazy. I did decide, though, what I need to do at some point is make a plow for that tractor, a blade, because the bucket doesn't really cut it if it's this sleety stuff. You know, if it was regular snow, it would have been one thing, but, like, the tractor doesn't even sink into it unless it spins. So you gotta dig, you gotta angle down and dig, and when you dig a little too far, you hit the gravel. Of course, this road is nowhere near level. But, yeah, alright guys, it is what it is. I'm gonna let you keep going. Not much of an update, really. I'll leave you with a cold start of the tractor, because, you know, I mean, I got nothing else to show you. So, alrighty, as always, stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching. Stay warm. We'll catch you in the next one. 18 out here, or 16, I don't know. It's cold. There's that third cylinder.